Hey, this is Kamran, the founder and CEO of Connecti. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete demonstration of how Connecti works and how you can use it to grow on LinkedIn.
This is the video guide for using Connecti in an effective manner. First of all, you have to go to Connecti.site website and you have to sign up for Connecti. Just hit the button sign up and you will get to the login page. First, if you didn't create account, you have to sign up uh, by putting your full details, name, email and password. And once you sign up, you will get a free trial. So not worries, you didn't have to pay for starting. So once you sign up, you have to download the Connectis extension. This is basically Connectis LinkedIn AI Assistant extension. So once you enable this extension, sign in using the same account that you use in Connecti website. So after completing the sign in process, you will get to your LinkedIn account. So Connecti has basically four features. I'll explain one by one and shows how each feature works, and I'll tell you in detail that how you can use all those features in an effective manner so you can get most of it. So the number one feature is AI comment generation. So the idea behind this is that you use LinkedIn on a daily basis, and uh, for engaging in someone's other profile, you have to comment on their post. So suppose you have to comment 100 profiles per day to engage proper in LinkedIn. So you can don't do this manually by reading each post manually and generate comments. This feature generate comments automatically by your side. So what this does is that when you scroll LinkedIn, you will get this AI comment button in every post. Okay, so in every post you will get this AI comment button. After enabling this extension, you will get this AI comment button in every post by clicking on suppose I want to comment on this post, so I'll use that AI comment feature. So by clicking on AI comment button, it automatically fetches its the post content that we see, that this is the post content of this post. Follower numbers don't matter. So by clicking on AI comment button, it automatically fetches your post content. Now you have to provide some input details from your side, and the AI will generate comment according to you. So automatically it fetches post content, so you don't have to copy paste content manually. Then you have to select tone. We have provided multiple options like for professional case, for casual case, for funny case, for thoughtful case, and for supportive phase. So if you want a professional comment, you will select professional, and if you want funny comment, then you will choose tone as funny. So it totally depends upon you. After the tone selection, you will have to select provider. For now, we have only one provider. The provider means basically from which we use LLM, from which company we use LLM. So here at this moment we have only one option, Grok, but in future we'll integrate OpenAI Claude and many options for you. So at this moment we only use Grok. So you don't have to select multiple options for provider because there is only one. And after that provider, you will have to select which model do you want to use for that provider. So for Grok, there are multiple models listed here. So you can use any of them. You can generate comments by using each model, and you will choose which one generate comments best, because the text quality depends upon the model you selected. So according to our we recommend you to use Llama 3.7 70 billion versatile. This model is best for text generation, so we recommend you to use that model. So we'll come to hint later. So after selecting all these inputs features, you have to click on generate comment. Once you click on generate comment, it will load a little bit, and it will generate that comment for you, that professional comment, yeah, or funny comment. this time we selected funny, so it generates some funny comment. So if you want to generate professional comment, then you choose tone professional and again click on generate comment button. This will take some time, and at the end it will generate comment, professional comment for you. So this is the command. You can either copy paste or you can directly insert it into your comment window. So this is how you can generate, you can utilize AI comment feature. So again, if I click on AI comment button, it will automatically fetch the post content. We'll have to select tone model, and now we'll come to hint portion. Suppose you want to add some personalized text or personalized comment, or some personalized text in that comment. So you can use hint for according to you, totally it will generate comment 100% according to your hint. Suppose I want to generate a concise comment, so I'll write that generate comment, generate concise comment. Suppose I write generate concise comment in hint, and when I click on generate comment, it will generate comment, but this time a little bit concise. So you see that it generate a comment concise comment. Now I'll use insert button. It will automatically insert the comment in my comment window. So this is how you can use hint feature. If you you can write anything in hint. Suppose you want to add some extra touch, or you want to add some hashtag, or you want to add some emojis. Suppose anything you want to do with your comment, you will do that by using hint. So this is very important. If you want some personalized touch, you can provide that specific choice in hint, and the rest is the same. You can either copy or you can insert directly. Or one thing more, if you want some changes, so you can also write after inserting comment. So you can also change here. Suppose I will write good or bad. So this is just an example. You can also edit here if you want some minimal changes, like if you want that could not agree replace with someone else, and you have that word in your mind, you can do it manually. Don't rely on that feature, that you can add these words by using that feature. You can do it by your own if you want some minimal changes. But if you want some more changes, and you want to do by that feature, you will provide that specific thing in hint option. It will generate according to your hint. So by using AI comment feature, now you can generate hundreds of comments per day. Not hundreds, if you want to generate thousands of comments in a single day, you can do that by using that AI comment feature. This is how you can use AI comment feature effectively. The second feature, now we'll come to second feature. The second feature is basically post analyzer. You can analyze your competitors post, which content they usually post, how many likes they get, how many comments they got, and how many shares they got. You can basically analyze your competitors post. So if you are new on LinkedIn and you don't know how you post, what content you post, so this is exactly this feature provides you. Suppose you are an AI expert and you want to post some AI related content, but you didn't have idea how to post and what content should I target. So you can use that feature by uh, creating content for your account. How this feature works is that, suppose that this person is my competitor. This person is my competitor. I'll go to his profile. By clicking on that profile, you will see two buttons. First, we see analyze post button, then I'll come later at that feature. Now, at you will see analyze post at this profile. This button didn't show up on single profile, it will show on each profile, every profile. So, suppose that you have this person and you want that what she post and what people she targets. And suppose she's your basically competitor, they provide the same services as you do, so you want to create content something like she posted. So you will see analyze post button. When you click on analyze post button, what it will do, sorry, once you click on analyze post button, it will take you to some form and will provide some inputs values, and it will analyze post according to that. So you have to choose how many number of posts you want to analyze, and this is all about the latest post, not the last month post or last week or last year. If this is basically the number of posts that are recent, so we the idea behind that is that we have to analyze their recent post, not 1 year later or 2 year later, cause it doesn't have benefit. So we have to analyze their latest post. So you have to enter basically a number between 1 to 10 how many posts you want to analyze. If you want to analyze 10 latest posts, you have to enter 10. If you want to analyze 5 latest posts, you have to write 5. So currently we have only provided to analyze posts up to 10 posts. So we'll integrate feature, we'll integrate and more posts, we'll integrate to analyze more posts later. So at this moment you are going to analyze only posts between 1 to 10. So suppose you have to analyze up to last 10 posts, so you will write 10 and click on analyze button. After clicking on analyze button, it will take time, a few time, and it will analyze posts. So these are the results of these feature. So I'll take you one by one. These are the basically latest 10 posts, cause we enter 10 as an input. So what this does is that it takes her latest 10 posts and shows all the details about posts. So these are the latest 10 posts. You can click on show more and show less button to see their full content, and you will know you will also get to know that how many likes she got at this post, how many comments she got, and how many reposts she got. And you can also view this post by clicking on that view post link. So these are the latest 10 posts that she posted, and you will see that you will get likes, comments, reposts according to each post. So in this way you can analyze their post easily. uh, and how I know that which post I have to target? Based on the likes, we will filter out the most trending post among the latest 10 posts. Suppose you will enter 5 you will enter 5 number as an input to analyze post, and it will then generate latest, it will then analyze latest 5 posts. But it what it also does that it filters posts and take that most trending posts based on likes. See that in her latest 10 post, this post gets more likes. How it feels to be a social media manager during the festive season. So this is the post that she gets uh, more like more likes. So what it does that it will filter that post and takes this post to the top. So you can also see that in most that this is the post that got most likes. So this is her most trending post, and you will also get many posts as you want to analyze. So this is the basically main idea behind competitor analysis feature. You will get how what content she posts, and how many likes, how many comments, how many reposts she got, and so on. So this is basically the analyze post feature. The third feature basically is post creation feature. This comes after the analyze post feature. So after you analyze post, suppose this is the post that I want to recreate. So by clicking on show more button, you will see create post button in every post. In every post, you will see that. So by clicking on create post button, what it does that it will take you to another form. And you will also, and here also you have to enter some inputs, values, and this will generate post according to you. So again, you have option for hint. You can if you want to generate post according to you, and you have to add some personalized touch, then you can mention those words or those sentences in hint. And again, you have a model provider option. Currently we have only one, and again you have to select which model. So I recommend you to use Llama 3.3 70 billion versatile. When you click on generate post, what it does is that it takes a little bit time and it generate post according to her post. So backend, in the backend, the actual post is also given to LLM, and LLM will generate the similar post that you want to replicate. So this is the post. You can also insert post by clicking on insert post button. If you want, you can also add media, and if you don't want, then you can simply post. You can also edit something minimal like here. So this is basically the post creation post. You can also utilize the hint button, hint portion. So if suppose if you want, again I click on analyze post. Suppose if you want to create a post according to your something personalized niche, or if you want to target on that niche, so you will totally do that by using hint button. Here also I analyze his latest 10 post. After some time we will get all these posts with details. And suppose I want to replicate his most trending post, I'll click on show more button, and here I click on create post button. So create post is basically the third feature. So here, if you want to generate post, you will click on generate post button, and it automatically creates you a post. And if you want to add some personalized touch, you will use hint feature. Suppose I want to generate a concise post, same I write for comment. So I'll write as generate a concise post. So I'll provide some hint, and when I click on generate post button, now see that it will generate a concise post according to the previous one. So previous one is basically the lengthy post, and now it is the smallest post or concise post. So you can use hint according to you totally. It will generate post according to your hint. So this is the benefit of this feature. Now you don't have to think a lot of what should I post on LinkedIn, because if you want to grow on LinkedIn, you have to post daily. And if you have to post daily, it will sucks that you don't have ideas or what topic you should talk about. You just simply use that feature. What you have to do, you have to go to your competitors profile, first analyze their post, what they post, and what you like. Based upon those analysis, suppose you have to recreate some your competitor post that you like, or you think that his or her trending post has potential, so you can recreate that post. Just click on create post button. It will automatically get you to that form. Enter some hints, set these settings, and click on generate button. Then what this does is that you will get your post automatically. You can now insert post, and you can post it publicly. So this is basically the third feature. Now we'll get to fourth feature. Suppose I'll this is my competitor, or this is my client something. So if I click on that profile, you see that here AI outreach button exists. So what it does, the idea behind AI outreach feature is that when you connect with someone, so the chances are higher that someone will connect you back if you provide a note with connection request. So when I send a connection request to his profile, we have an option that we can provide a simplest note with connection request. So there's a high chance that he can read those texts, and based on those texts, either he connects you or rejects you. So this means you have to analyze their proper profile. If you do this manually, you have to analyze this person proper profile. You have to analyze their headline, you have to analyze their about, you have to analyze their experience. So you will get to know that what he or she does, and then only you can provide a hint, you can provide a note with their personalized details. You cannot say that connect to me, just you will provide some personalized message that suits their profile. So you have to analyze all these details, and then you will generate message. When you click on AI outreach, the AI outreach feature does everything for you. When you click on AI outreach button, it will automatically scrape profile data. You see that it says loading profile data. After some time, it will load all data, all details of that specific profile, what its name, what its headline, what's its about, and what's his experience. Currently this profile has 0 experience, so the our scraper did not scrape experience and says 0 positions found because this profile has no experience. So once you will get all those details, you have same API provider. Currently we have Grok. You will select model. Here you will, for best generations, you will use Llama 3.370 billion. This is our suggested model. You can use any of the model before to check what suits you well. You can also use hint, same as for post creation and same for comment generation. You can also use hint as here. So once I click on generate message, it will take some time and it will generate 2 message, once connection request note and once follow up message, and also it provides some profile inside. So what this connection request note does, you can simply, if you want to connect to that person, you will simply copy that message and send note manually. And if the user is already connected with you, then you will, if you want to target, then you will have to send a follow-up message. So this is basically the follow-up message. You can edit those message according to you totally by using hint. Suppose that I am an automation expert and I want to pitch that person about AI automation. So I should write in hint that I am an automation specialist, kindly generate messages like that. I want to provide him an automation services for their business. Suppose he has a business and I want to generate some follow-up messages and connection request messages, but totally personalized. So this feature automatically fetches his details, and now in hint portion we'll add some our text or our profile, so AI will understand what should I do. So we can use hint for that if we want some personalized text. So this is the text I write, that I am an automation specialist, kindly generate message that I want to provide him an automation service for their business. So by clicking on generate message button, it will then generate message according to our hint. So now you will see that in connection request node, the generated message is, hi Liat, impressed by your work in ML and MED, let's discuss automation. Cause connection request message is very limited, I think it's up to 60 words or 60 characters. So we limit those text generations in our system messages in our backend. So connection request node is basically the smallest one or the concise one, cause LinkedIn provides some restrictions, or LinkedIn have limits in connection request node while sending connection request. So we have to look for that limit. That's why this message is concise. And in follow-up message, it says, Liad, as a medical student and ML developer, I believe automation can enhance your project. Would love to explore how my services can help. So it will automatically generate those messages according to his profile and according to your hint. So you can use that feature to send connection request or to send a follow-up message for your services without seeing their profile, what they does, and looks everything manually. This feature is totally automated these work for you. And also it generates some profile insights. So suppose that this person now interacts with you further manually and you have to chat manually, then you have a little bit idea of what he or her does, what AI outreach, what it does, that it also provide profile insights. So you will get a little bit idea of about this profile. So in profile insight, it says that Liat has a strong foundation in artificial intelligence. He is interested in the intersection of AI and medical field. So by going through profile insights, I'll get to know that what this profile does. So this gets you a basic idea of what this person does, how they are currently working, in which company they are in, without looking everything manually. So this feature does the work for you. And it also generate connection request node and follow-up messages, so you can automate those messages by AI without writing a manual uh, node that has no impact. So this is how you can use AI outreach feature and automate those outreach, totally automated using Connecti. So these are basically the 4 features. Number 1 is AI comment feature, number 2 is analyze post feature, and number 3 is post creation, and finally AI outreach. So you can use those all 4 features on any profile on LinkedIn. Suppose if you want to analyze your competitor's post, and suppose he is your competitor Manthan Patel, if I click on that profile, you will see both button. You can analyze post. After analyzing post, you will create that post what he posted nowadays, latest post. So you will also target the latest post in your LinkedIn account. And also you can use AI outreach if you want to make a connection request with him, or if he is connected and you want some follow-up message to further uh, stay in touch with this person. Then you can also use AI outreach feature and generate some messages and copy paste message and send manually by using that message button. So these are all the 4 features. Hope I have clear everything for you. And if you didn't understand, and if you have any query, then you can reach us. Stay tuned.
That's it for the demo. I hope this video helped you understand how Connecti works. Now go ahead, start using it, and upgrade your LinkedIn growth journey.